When you look at me, what do you see? A woman? A black person? An African American? One of these is incorrect, and it's not what you're thinking. I am a woman, I am black, but I'm not an African American. I am of Caribbean descent, which makes me Caribbean American. My name is Melissa Strong. I was born in Canada and grew up there. However, 14 years ago, I moved to the United States of America. My first stop was Miami, Florida. My second stop was New York. And my third stop was to Los Angeles to pursue acting. A funny thing, when I arrived to America, I didn't see myself different to African Americans, but I soon came to realize that there was a big difference between African Americans and Caribbean Americans. Everyone knows the Caribbean for its fun, the music, and the high energy. However, there is a story of Caribbean Americans that has not been told. There's an intertwining of the first generation and second generation Caribbean Americans that is woven into the economics, the politics, the values, and the new culture of America. When you come from a country where everyone looks just like you, racism is a culture shock when you arrive to America, and it's a double shock when it comes from someone who looks just like you. I want to share with you my experience of being of Caribbean heritage in America and introduce you to some of the people that I've come across and their struggles and experiences. When being black isn't the same and realizing what divides us is the difference of our upbringing and culture, not our color.